Hey everyone, and welcome back to the techystack channel. So in the last two sessions, we tried how we can extract the data from the PDF with the help of Python. And next tutorial, we learn how we can integrate it, Python with UIPath. So this is two things which we have done. So if you are directly visiting to this third video, so then you can try to go and watch first and second video, then come to here. So now here what we are doing, we are passing some parameters. For example, when I go and check here, I have these two files. So I want to run one by one file. How we can do that thing? So initially we can do from there in Python as itself, but right now how we can do from the help of UiPath itself, we can learn that as well. So now the first step what we need to do, so we need to take this for each loop. So if you are using this multiple files, we need to go and use for the for each activity. So I'm just drag and drop this for each activity, and here I'm using um, directory dot get files. Okay, so once I use this activity, I will get all the files from this particular folder. So I'm just copying this folder and moving inside and updating this path. So this is my path. So under input, I have these files are available. So just click on that save. Okay, now this is done. And the rest of the thing, Python code, which is available here, now you can just invoke inside. So just I'm putting inside this one, Python scope, or else you can put outside and you can do that. That is a different thing. Okay, now this is fine. So the next here is we are need to pass it two parameters, or you can pass one parameter, it's fine, no problem. So you can just remove this and can update this current item dot to string dot to string. Okay, this is fine. So in this string what we are passing now, so we are passing the file name. Okay, just save this one. That's it. Now go back to this Python studio, sorry, Python programming, and here we need to modify the one thing. So right now we can see this final output is there. Okay, this final output, this is for passing output to that one. So we need to add two parameters. So one parameter is for normal thing, just I will update here q itself earlier. Okay, another parameter which is getting from the file path. Okay, now I will go to code again and I will update here comma file path. So file path which is getting from the UI path. So you can update UI path, file path, anything is fine. So just add here as well. Okay, and change this to file path. Now just save this one. Okay, and go back to the studio, and I'm running step into mode one by one. We need to check two PDFs are there. One PDF having the three rows of data and another PDF having the 11 or 10 rows of the data. So now I will just clear this data, and first I will check this current item. So current item, it's having this PDF document as 2309. Okay, and I'm running this one. We'll check output as well. So it got output, and we'll go for checking the final output. So when I run this, I mean when I execute this, so you can see this only the three lines of the data. And now we'll go to next, and here we can see this another file. So I will go and check current item. We can check here the file name is different, 2200208. So file is different. Now it will fetch the data, and here we can see it's 9 or 10 rows of data here. So let's go and check final output. So now we can check this one. So like this we need to identify, and rest of the steps are done. So for example, if you have 10 parameters, you can pass this 10 parameters, and how many parameters you have, just pass those many parameters to the things. And this is the way how we can invoke that script to the UI path. So I hope you understand, and just try to watch the three videos. If you not understand, still if you have any doubts, post the comments in the comment section. I will try to help that as well.